Hello, I'm in a 2012 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you where the spare tire is. So from here we will go back, and with the trunk open, or the hatchback open, you should just be able to pull right underneath here, and you should see your spare tire, and then hopefully some components next to it or underneath the tire. That would be your car jack, so you can help jack up the vehicle. To get it out, you'll just unscrew this. Alright, and then this whole thing will just lift right out, so I could pull it out now. And then this particular model, the jack is underneath the tire. And when you're finished, everything's fixed, you screw this back on so it stays connected. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.